I told you guys that we were gonna go and unbox the parts when they came in for the scooter, so that's what we're here to do today. So it came in. Right? Super excited to do this build, so it's gonna be fun. Let's see what we got here. Open the big one first. It's like Christmas. Safety knife. Safety first. Oh yeah. Look at that. Pretty. This is the exhaust system that I ordered. You know, I got here pretty fast. They said it wasn't gonna come till the 9th, no, they said the 10th. One was supposed to come the 9th, then the other one the 10th, and then the other one the 11th. But they all showed up today. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Woo! So, here's the exhaust tip that I ordered. See, it's smaller than the other one. Here's the parts pieces for it. It's gonna be fun, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Can't wait to throw this bad boy on. Let's see, there's the gasket. It goes right here, bam. Like that. And then, bam, like that. And then I hook this up to the motor. Bam, just like that. Do it. Push you out that wheel. I believe these are the mirrors. These are the mirrors. We got a little keychain. Capsco Moto. Capsco Moto.
Yeah, I think those are good.
Oh yeah, look at these.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, get a good shot of that. Look at that. Bam.
Oh my god. You're Shrek. You're Shrek.
Aren't those dope though?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh yeah, can't wait to go
Yeah,
throw them on.
you just need to clean them.
Yeah. 4 bolts. That's it. Bam. Bam. Well, bam. Guess I would have got ones with lights on it, then there'd have been all kinds of wires. We ain't trying to do that. The last package of the day, but definitely not the last of the build. Oh yeah, look at that. So if I wanted to, I could even take the bullet cap off and paint it. I got gold. It looks more, I don't know, orange. I want it to look yellow. Couldn't get yellow, but I can take it off and paint it. But that's the closest to yellow I could get, so that's what I got. But as you see, you get blue, red, chrome. I think they even have carbon fiber ones, but I don't know. So anyway, that's it for today's unboxing, but still got to do some modifications to the scooter before I can actually put this stuff on. I want to extend the back wheel out, like I said. I got to clean up the wire harness. I'm going to redo the whole front end. I want the handlebars to come up. I want to redo the forks. I want to kind of extend them out like a chopper a little bit, but not too much, you know what I mean? And then I gotta lower the back end. I'm gonna cut and chop the frame so many places because I want it to be a little bit smaller and a little bit wider or longer. So there's a lot of work still to come, so be sure to join me on this build. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So make sure you tune in to those later videos. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and share it, please.